Dogecoin fell in esteem, alongside other digital forms of money, in 2022, losing almost 60% of its worth across the year. Starting around 9 February 2023, the crypto's cost remained at about 8 cents, having fallen almost 90% since its unequaled high of 73 cents in May 2021. Once more, be that as it may, it is as yet one of the biggest cryptos out there, and Elon Musk's takeover of Twitter had individuals discussing #Dogecoin to the moon before a market slump saw it fall. So what is the most recent Dogecoin conjecture? We should investigate a portion of the Dogecoin value forecasts and figure out some more about the coin as well. Doge got back to the titles in September 2022 as a corrected claim against Tesla president Elon Musk recorded in a New York court added 7 new financial backers as offended party, as well as 6 new litigants, blaming them for racketeering. The $258 billion claim was documented in June by financial backers who have lost cash on the token, contending that the litigants benefited huge number of dollars while knowing that the worth of Dogecoin relied exclusively upon promoting. The Dogecoin cost soared by 1,234% from April 2021 to top at a record-breaking high of 73 cents the next month. Dogecoin made sense of the first of the canine-themed image coins. Doge was initially sent off in 2013 by computer programmers Billy Marcus and Jackson Palmer, who worked at IBM and Adobe, separately, as a parody on the multiplication of elective coins endeavoring to ride on the outcome of Bitcoin. The digital currency took advantage of the famous Doge image, including a Shiba Inu canine, involving the canine as its logo. Marcus and Palmer put together the Dogecoin blockchain convention with respect to the open-source coding of the now outdated Dogecoin digital money. Dogecoin was a hard fork, or veer-off, from the Litecoin digital money, which thus was a hard fork from Bitcoin. In spite of the fact that Doge began as a joke, it before long acquired ubiquity among crypto clients, as its low worth made it helpful for little web-based exchanges, for example, tipping content makers via online entertainment stages. The Dogecoin cost took off in 2021 as digital money markets revitalized, acquiring notoriety via web-based entertainment and provoking the send-off of other Shiba Inu canine-themed coins. As the task took on a unique kind of energy, developing a huge local area, Marcus and Palmer left the venture and there was no improvement on the convention. Musk took advantage of the virtual entertainment publicity around the coin, tweeting that it was individuals' crypto. Dogecoin establishment. The Dogecoin establishment was sent off in 2014 to give an administration and backing system for the task's local area improvement. The establishment was subsequently broken up, yet it relaunched in 2021 as the coin pulled in new financial backers and the cost took off. As indicated by the establishment's site, it plans to give support for the Dogecoin digital currency through advancement and promotion Dogecoin brand name safeguard to forestall misuse and extortion, a guide and administration for the fate of Dogecoin. The establishment is driven by individuals from the First Advancement Group as well as guides, center designer Max Keller, Ethereum fellow benefactor Vitalik Buterin, and Jared Birchall, addressing Elon Musk. Dogecoin value history. We should now project our eyes over a portion of the Doge cost history. While past execution ought to never be taken as a mark of future outcomes, knowing what the crypto has done in the past can assist with giving us some truly necessary setting with regards to either deciphering a Dogecoin coin value forecast or making one of our own. The Doge cost can be exceptionally unstable, even with regards to cryptographic money markets, as virtual entertainment networks frequently drive enormous spikes in esteem and ensuing accidents create traditional press inclusion. T then, at that point, immediately dropped in a sell the news reaction to Musk showing up on the Saturday Night Live program in the US. Musk alluded to Dogecoin as a hustle, regardless of having talked it up in earlier weeks. Doge was exchanging down around 30 cents toward the finish of May 2021, resisting the most bullish Dogecoin expectation at the cost to surpass $1. It fell further to 16 cents on the 20th of July, when cryptographic money markets saw as a base. A late spring rally brought the value up to 35 cents on the 16th of August, yet it fell again to 19 cents on the 26th of September. Doge moved to 28 cents on the 24th of October, yet transformed negative into 2022 alongside the more extensive business sectors, staying in a descending pattern with worse high points and worse low points. Doge began the year at 17 cents and climbed to 20 cents on the 14th of January. However, at that point auctions off to 12 cents on the 24th of January. The coin bounced back to 17 cents on the 7th of February, yet couldn't hold at that level. Doge dropped to 11 cents on 13 walk prior to taking a stab at the 17 cents level on the 5th of April. The value plunged to 7 cents on the 12th of May as digital currency markets responded to the breakdown of the Luna cryptographic money, and the US dollar arriving at 20-year highs. With negative opinion grabbing hold of crypto markets, Doge dropped to 4 cents on the 18th of June, its most minimal level since mid-2021. The coin exchanged a 6 cents minus 7 cents territory until a short convention in image stocks and coins driven by retail financial backers via web-based entertainment brought the value up to 8 cents on the 16th of August. Be that as it may, Doge immediately dropped back to exchange at around 6 cents once more. The Dogecoin news following Musk's takeover of Twitter was at first sure, with the value mobilizing to a high of 15 cents on the 1st of November before the breakdown of the FTX trade saw it exchange at about 7 cents on the 21st of November. Notwithstanding the post-FTX bankruptcy fall, however, Doge was as yet worth more than it was 2 months sooner. The crypto finished 2022 at 7 cents, yet delighted in something of a recuperation in January, shutting the month at 9 cents prior to sliding down to a low of 8 cents on the 10th of February prior to moving back to 9 cents on the 19th of February. Following this, the breakdown of the Silvergate Bank saw it break down to 6 cents on 10 walk. From that point onward, both Doge and the market recuperated. On the 3rd of April, Elon Musk struck again when Twitter's Bluebird logo was traded for the Dogecoin token on the microblogging website. Maybe obviously, this saw Doge rally. The coin flooded by over 33%, moving from a low of 7 cents to a high of 10 cents, whenever it first had broken past 10 cents in 2023. The next day, it was worth about 9 cents. Around then, there were just shy of 138.8 billion Doge available for use, addressing the complete stockpile. This gave the coin a market cap of about $13.6 billion, making it the 7th biggest crypto by that measurement, as per CoinMarketCap. Dogecoin value forecasts. We should now investigate a portion of the Dogecoin cost expectations that were being made starting around the 4th of April 2023. It is critical to recall that cost figures, particularly for something as possibly unpredictable as cryptographic money, all the time end up being incorrectly. Likewise, some long-haul crypto value expectations are made utilizing a calculation, and that implies that they can change immediately. Had a fairly blended present moment Dogecoin cost expectation for 2023, saying the crypto could drop to 8 cents by the 9th of April prior to making a raging recuperation to 19 cents by 24 walk. The site's specialized examination was bullish, with 25 pointers conveying cheery messages and only 3 making negative ones. Had a fairly melancholy Doge cost forecast, proposing that it could drop to a simple $0 the 4th of April 2024. Made a Dogecoin crypto cost expectation that gave a normal of 19 cents in 2023, 23 cents in 2024, and 34 cents in 2025, in view of verifiable information. The site's Dogecoin cost expectation for 2030 said the cost could reach $1 that year, a consecrated ground for the crypto's more vocal lovers. Was undeniably less bullish in its Dogecoin cost expectation. It assessed that Dogecoin could reach 14 cents toward the finish of 2023 and gave a Dogecoin cost expectation for 2025 that saw it close the year at a potential 20 cents prior to contending that it could reach 30 cents toward the finish of 2030. While considering